So, training, motivating, and compensating, and leading the sales force is our today's topic. So, let's start from learning objective. To understand the sales process in this, to learn important theories and the tools of motivation, to know the compensation plan, sale leadership, and supervise sales. So, let's start sale training. Proper training can prepare sale people to meet with the customer expectation. New salespeople spend a few weeks to serve month in training. Companies vary sales training important for the protecting their investment in the sales force. Sales training process consists of assessing sales training need, designing an executive sales training program involving and reinforcing sales training program. So, accessing sales training needs are assessed both for newly hired trainees and experienced existing salespeople. Method used for assessing training needs are first level sales managers observations, survey of the sales force and field sales manager, customer survey, performance testing of salesperson, job description statement, sales force audit. Then designing and the executing sales training program. For this sales manager task 5 division called ACMEE: aim, content, method, exclusion and evaluation. First three words and the organizational decision relate to designing of the sales training. Example: aim and objective of the sales training: increase sales profit or both, increase sales productivity, increase customer relation, prepare new sales people for assessment uh, to territories. Content of training program: content for new sales trainees is broadened. It includes company knowledge, product knowledge, customer knowledge, competitor knowledge, selling skill, and selling technique. Sample of specific content for experienced salesperson are new product knowledge, introduce change in sales organization, negotiating skill. Content depend on the aim of training program. Sales training method: selection of suitable method for a training program depend upon the topic and audience. Training methods are grouped into 5 categories: classroom conference training, behavioral learning stimulation, online training, absorption training, on the job training. We shall briefly review the training method. Classroom and conferencing training group. The training method in this group are lecturer, demonstration, and group discussion. Lectures used when more information is presented in a short time to large number of participants may lead to boredom due to less active participants. Then demonstration used for giving product knowledge. It is a group discussion useful when participants include experienced and inexperienced salesperson. A panel discussion consists of a small group of people who discuss a specific topic. Next is the stimulation group. This group consists of three training methods. First, role playing. Second, case studies. Third, business game. Role playing, useful method for teaching sales technique procedure. Typically, one trainee plays the role of a salesperson and other trainees act as a buyer. Case studies beneficial for understanding customer behavior and building problem solvability. Case teaching include open discussion, group discussion and presentation. Business game helpful in learning impact of decision making, generate enthusiasm and competitive spirit. Online training group, it includes first electronic performance support system, second interactive media training. Third, distance learning. It takes 50% less time and costs 30 to 60% less and more convenient than other training methods. Useful for getting basic knowledge like product and customer. Electronic performance support system makes the information available immediately in a personalized manner. Interactive media training is used for retraining sales people who can repeat or skip material as desired. Distance learning is a person training method which is interactive. Then absorption training or studies self-study group. It includes the supplying audit, caster, product manual, book, article, and CD-ROMs to salespeople who read these material without feedback. Useful for introducing basic material. Next is on the job training group. Most companies use this method as a place a sales training in a realistic sales situation. Typically, a junior salesperson is assigned to a senior salesperson for some period of time. So here we have completed this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.